topic, and that is finding the GCF and LCM of the large numbers in just about 10 seconds. Let's get right into it. Example number 1, 39 and 45. For this, you may be having the traditional number by finding a multiples and then finding the common ones. Well, it doesn't really work. It's a lot of work for these large numbers like 39 and 45. Let's see how to do that. First, you have to find the number that can be divisible by both numbers commonly, and it should be the largest. In this case, it's 3 and divided by 3. 39 divided by 3 is 13, and 45 divided by 3 is 15. There we go. And now, you can't really find a common number here because 13 is a prime number. So, you have to take a look at one specific number. Here, it's your choice to take choose which number you want to go with first, 13 or 15. I'm going with 15 now, and 15, it's the largest number that can be divisible by 15 is 5. Yes, you may ask, can it be 15 divided by 15? Yes, it can be, but there is a divisible number, so you don't have to take it to the largest. So now 15 divided by 5, just 3, and then now 13, carry forwards, and then now 13 is a prime number. So for 13, you just have to divide 13 by 15. So 3 is a prime number as well. So 3 divided by 3, which is 1. 13 divided by 15, which is 1. So your goal here is to get it to 1. And then now for LCM, you have to multiply all the factors here we have listed. All the factors are 3, 5, 3, and 15. 3 times 5, 15. 15 times 3, 45. 45 times 13, which is 585. And here you go. This is the answer for finding the LCM. Hope you like this. It's really good. If you like this, give us smash the like button so I could understand if you guys like my videos and I could continue posting mine. And feel free to take a look at my other videos, which are really informative, like this one. And I taught a lot of tricks, and there's more to go. LCM. We took a look at the first example. It's a quite large number, which is 13, 39, and so now we're gonna take a look at a large number, which is pretty large. Example number 2, 349. You could use this trick in any type of numbers, and let's take a look at this. So here is a hard one. What do you think? These cannot have a prime number. A common number. So in this case, the only number that can go with each other, the greatest, is 349 by 6 and 688 by itself. So here, why we're taking a look at the largest factor itself, because we don't have any factors that go. So 1 is the smallest factor, but we don't have to have it 1. Okay? So 300, let's take it. It's again your choice. You can pick which number you want to go with first. 688 or 349. Here I'm going with both the numbers, which is pretty easy. So 349 divided by 349, which is 1. And then 688 divided by 688, which is 1. As you see, we got to the goal, 1 and 1. So that means we can multiply the factors, which are 349 divided by 349 1, and 688 divided by 688, which is 1. We got to the goal, and now the factors. 349 and 688 is the factor. So you just have to multiply those and you get the LCM. Isn't that easy? So if you want to find the LCM, you just go on forever. Can't you? Because you have to find the factors and you eventually give up. Instead, you could try it this way, which gives you, see, these are these tricks and methods are for 7th grade, because that's when you start getting these large numbers. But here we post videos for, 1st grade to eventually 7th or 8th grade. And then the answer, the LCM for the larger numbers, 2, 1, 1, then 0, 4, 2. So the final number is 240,112. Isn't that a large number? It takes forever to count and find the multiples that way, so we're just getting to the shortcut. Anyways, let's get to the next problem. Finding the GCF and LCM. The second part, we're taking a look at GCF. Here, example 339 and 65. Here you're gonna do the same thing, exact same thing that you did for LCM, but instead there's a little twist. I'll show you at the end of the video. Here we do the same thing. We find, since we don't have a common number here, we just go with a full, and then 3 is our largest number. So here we go. So the largest number we could find for 39. See, we don't have a common number here, so we're just going with the first numbers. And 13, and then 65. So 65 can be divided by 5, which is 13. 13 and 13. Now you have to divide it by 13, which is 1, and you get both numbers as 1. So we got the goal. And now you shouldn't multiply all the factors for GCF. Instead, you should only multiply the common factor, which means the common factor here is 13, and you don't have any other common factors, so 13 is your GCF. Hope you liked this video. We'll see you guys next time.